Maybe you own a domain name on GoDaddy and you'd like to use it on a Hostinger-hosted website. Manually redirecting that GoDaddy domain name can be confusing. I was so intimidated by the experts in tutorial videos telling me everything they knew about name servers that I almost didn't try it. But I did try it, and it was simple. Hi, I'm CJ with Electric Eye Network. Let me show you how easy it is. Start by going to Hostinger.com. If you're new to Hostinger and you haven't signed up for a hosting plan yet, I would suggest the business plan, because I first signed up for the premium plan at the promotional price and then pretty quickly realized I wanted some of the advantages of the business plan. The lists of what they include seem pretty similar, but there is twice as much storage on the business plan, and then you find out later that the Hostinger web builder won't generate you AI images without the business plan, and then there's also a free Amazon affiliate plugin included with the business plan, and I really wanted to try those out. When I upgraded, I had to pay the additional difference for the regular price instead of the promotional price that was initially offered. So look at what each plan includes very carefully and possibly just go for the business plan for a tiny bit more, just so that you've got more storage space and several other added features in case you want them. So either sign up for your plan, or if you already have your plan, go to your dashboard. This is my main Hostinger dashboard. It shows what products I own on Hostinger. Business web hosting here, I have 6 websites right now. I did a quick design mock-up of this Electric Eye website, so now I can go back here to edit the website some more. Let's see, connect domain is what we want. Get domain? What domain do you want to connect to this site? electriceyenetwork.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. You can use this domain, but you'll have to connect it manually. Okay, next. Okay, go to your GoDaddy account, go to your domain management page and find the name servers. Delete the name server records that are there and paste the following name server records. So go to here, GoDaddy, go to the domain name that we're using. The menu along the bottom here says Name Servers. Edit Name Servers. And those are the name servers there. I'm going to tab back and forth between the 2 websites now. Back to Hostinger. There they are, the new name servers. Back to GoDaddy. Okay, so I'm supposed to delete these. I'll use my own name servers. Click. Go back to Hostinger. Get these. They have a copy icon for each one separately. Copied successfully. Back to GoDaddy. Paste. Tab back to Hostinger. Copied successfully. Back to GoDaddy. Paste. Save. By clicking Continue, you consent to updating the name servers to the selected domains. Let's go. Continue. Success. Your request is in progress. That's on GoDaddy's page. Back to Hostinger. Connecting your domain might take up to 24 hours. Okay, last time I did it, it was much quicker than that. I think they just give themselves some time. So let's see how it goes. It says down at the bottom, I've changed the name server records, and you need to check that box and say Finish. If you changed your DNS records, domain name server records, your domain will be connected soon. Close. And here we are. It says electriceyenetwork.com. Let's go to the site that I've made a quick mock-up of. I never went live online with the temporary URL when I designed it, so let's go to the upper right corner here and go live now. Okay, view site. Trying. Oh, there's the website. That is electriceyenetwork.com. Live online right now. Nice. It's loading each page for the first time, so it takes a second, but looks good. Alright, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. We have successfully connected a GoDaddy domain name or URL for use on a Hostinger built and hosted website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.